the swing! Ta-da! Is he gone? Looks good at night. You're a winner!
Yeah.
Show me!
Not really, I'm within 10 of the best.
10 of the best.
So you guys will probably see this a year later.
Yeah. So this is what you've been doing for
2 years. No.
Is it 2 years?
I got it 2 years ago.
This is fucking... How long have you started this stuff?
Yeah, what? 10 days ago? Yeah,
Weeks.
But no, this what you see is what 10 days ago. Like the painting
Yes.
and the settling. Yeah, the transformation of body colour, we'd say. Yeah.
Are you happy?
Jeez.
This is the best thing you've ever had.
I think the headlights.
Yeah, look at the little touch.
Touch off that. Touch.
It's what you do, just, it's a little sticker.
Yeah.
And then satin.
Yeah.
What colour did you use? The engine bay colour? Of course you fucking did. So that's the colour of my engine bay. I knew it.
I'm glad you noticed.
I noticed it straight away, Shar.
I'm glad you noticed. That's brilliant. It's lovely.
It is.
Thanks. When you need it, I'll get you some.
I need more. Well, I'm going to have to buy some because I have to paint the whole back of my car again. We fucked it up, so. This is it. You sold a BMW to build this and it looks great. You finally, from hanging around with us for so long, eventually just gave up on it.
Bitten.
Real bad.
Put on my favourite bit a minute ago. Badge.
Nice. And you have the M-Source horn for it. Oh, the fucking steering wheel is still going. I love that steering wheel so much. It's just around forever.
It's just like shit, I need a wheel. Yeah, it's there.
The spoiler is lovely.
That two-tone stripe is...
How do you feel about it?
I feel...
In shock?
Yeah.
When did you just put it all together? A few minutes ago?
It's only out here half an hour.
Half an hour. One half of a full hour.
30 minutes. 30 guys.
I love it. Colour is deadly, man. Fucking hell. Such a mad colour. This must have been fun.
Yeah. It's quite high metallics in both of them, look.
Yeah, savage. Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's not flat. It's not. It's very not flat. It's... Yeah, that line... If it was sunny, it would be unreal.
Yeah.
We fucking... That line was a fluke. Pure fluke. The minute I put down final line, just went to where it was meant to.
Cool.
That one we did probably, I don't know how many, 3 or 4 times.
Well done, lads. All ready for the weekend. Where loads of people will just come over and look and go, well, and maul it and sit up against it. Yeah. Well, do you have any stickers for sale? Do you have any stickers for sale? Oh, Jesus, sorry, lad. And tell me this. Now, I had a chap there that has a long wheelbase Pajero. Oh, the swing clutch. The biggest juice box logo we've ever made.
Wow!
For scale, look. It is big. And then if you don't know, it says that on the other side. But I like it.
Yes, boy, it's just a giant sticker.
Look at that! Huge sticker!
Wow, that's so cool.
Isn't it?
So you
massive!
just say that sticker, just make it big.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I have a white one as well, so there's 2 of them. Look at that!
That's so cool.
Isn't it? Loads of things! We're just going to start adding the watermark live in the picture.
Yeah, just in the background.
It's in the corner of the image. Just appear with that. Ta-da! Juice box. Great. Just fucking... Yes, good enough. Wow! What do you think, lads? You were in JDM Distro with me a few hours ago. Now you're...
Very nice, I love it.
Now you're here.
I love it, yeah.
And I've only seen it for the first time now as well, so I just came upon it.
I see this stuff.
It's only been together. I'm more impressed by that. I was just like, I thought that was just huge and funny. We've come all the way from the UK to do some donuts in the Ring Arena. Beautiful.
Yes.
We made a nice bit of smoke there as well.
So so fun.
Right, so we're going to do a dummy setup here with everything and see how we look. Because we have it all. Cool. Cool, you can see in and you're like, is that them in there? Is that them? And then you see the logo and you go, yes, I think that's them. Is that them? This is way too professional for us.
Well, lad.
How's it going? You would?
Small hoodies left there.
Oh my god! There's no one here. Right. Oh, is there anyone there? No, they must be closed for the night. Is he gone? Yeah, black. We'll just make that a bit more.
Yeah, just one strip of black so nobody's dragging it, you know what I mean?
Hi! Okay, see you. Look at that. Large. Will never be as relaxed as him.
Can't unravel.
Beautiful. Right, we're all ready for tomorrow, but we're not.
Are we so ready, yeah?
Well, we look like it. This works. Ish. He's here, which is important. Beautiful. We got 4 of them. It's great that the business park provided exactly what we were looking for. The not so glamorous side to this shit.
Yeah.
It's like fucking
When you're there, yeah, but we had to get up at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock in the morning, the rain, getting ready.
That's the silhouette over there.
Looks good at night.
Taking pictures in the dark.
Wow. And then this is that moment where you wonder why we bother.
I wonder.
This isn't too bad.
A few moments later.
Why did I do that?
You just went for 3rd and blew your gearbox. Yeah. Why did you do that? Because you're excited.
What did I even do? The touch kick?
You just touch kick.
I'll hop in here if you want.
Yeah, I'll jump in with Philip.
Back in a sec.
Yeah, right. Fuck's sake. Nice casual early morning drive. Surely make it back to this Kilcullen the next day. It's me life, all this shit rolled in.
Yeah.
Unreal. Alright.
Crack
That's
piston
good now.
over here made it and I didn't.
Yeah, I know, I'll crack a piston.
I'll crack a piston made it and I didn't.
Hang on, I put this away, have it out here for no reason.
Thank you, Josh.
The weather isn't any nicer up here anyway. Great to see the weather's a lot better up here than it was down there.
Yeah. I'm happy this got here, look.
Yeah, that's the furthest you've ever gone now. Woo! We're all here. And we're looking well.
You know, we're not here.
Who's not here? Yeah.
This is us, is it? Yeah.
Not you now, boy. It's not.
This is us here, is it?
That's a sprawl and a half. It is it is sunnier today than it was yesterday morning.
Morning, lads.
Oh, well. Morning, guys.
Oh, that we came with the boys.
Hi, guys. Hey, look who's here. The car is here. Well, Evan.
Well, what happened there?
Oh, fuck. There must have been an accident.
Well, what's this now? Show what's there, is it?
Place is wrecked. That goes on the table then.
What is it?
Yeah. Are you having a good time? Josh, you won. You're a winner.
Yeah.
Show me.
Not really, I'm within 10 of the best.
10 of the best.
In bracketry kind of thing.
You're not the best. You're just 10 of the best. Some dose, boy. What is it?
Behold, 3 pound original son of a gun. All the silicon you can possibly eat. Don't get it near your plate. Son of a gun.
Where'd you get
Bang!
that? Is that £3.75?
Yeah, it's 3 pound. Yeah, I found it in the old trailer.
Truck's cool. Isn't it? Once you get stuck in, Evan. You made the difference. You've come all the way from the Netherlands.
Yes.
Whereabouts in the Netherlands are you from?
Just 25 minutes away from Amsterdam.
All right, cool. And yeah, Ruben, they came over.
They like to smoke Guinness and Magic.
They like smoked Guinness. Yeah, perfect. Well done.
I meant it, like.
I know, but look, everything is fake. We're all staged all the time. 1 of 10, Josh. You're not 1.
I don't know which one though.
You're not 10. You're 1 of 10.
10 times we said this, man.
I know, but look, take right action. Cut, go again. We didn't get the. It needs to be funnier than more funny, please.
Well done, Josh.
Well done, Josh. 1 of 10. So I'm talking to myself. It looks weird, but it'll eventually make sense. Beautiful weekend with the lads. I don't know. Thanks to everyone that came over and bought stuff from us when we were here. It was pretty overwhelming. It was nice to finally put faces to YouTube views and comments.
Because you can see the YouTube views and how many people, when people are queuing up and want to speak to you, it's
mad.
and overwhelming.
Yeah, lots of signatures and photographs, which was very unusual for.
That's
Oh my God! Look, forehead fucking gump here. Look at that.
He was running up there.
Look at that for a fucking skull.
Con.
Look at that fucking Egypt. Look at him. Look at his head. Look at that head. A good hat. What?
Good night, hat.
a
Good night, had by all.
and an all good.
Good night, by all.
I was complaining that there was no ice, and you went and got a bag of ice. Right, let's actually enjoy. Here,
Thank you.
have one of these. Now.
What the fuck? Thank you, you have a 20 bell on track.
Alright. You're making this longer. When you get your phone? No room there, right? Oh, actually, do you know where this lives?
Oh, thanks, Philip.
Give this to me.
Survived. 8.
Go to the back.
Way back. You alright, Evan?
Yeah. We brought this for no reason. Huh?
Yeah, I'll get this for I'll get this. Right, so it looks like a usual night in the shed, but we have Jimmy here, Jimmy Oakes from
You guys will probably see
United.
this a year later.
Yeah.
But we're here.
So yeah, Jimmy's been touring Ireland today, looking at different sheds, and he came down to our shed to have a look.
Where's your A6 though?
It is in another place getting painted, so it's actually finally on to its final stages. So. Let Jimmy do donuts in your broken ring car.
It's like when a dude smokes a pack of cigarettes a day, drinks a bottle every other day,
And he's still healthy.
he lives till 100. It's party now.
Jimmy's going for some rings, lad. All the way from the United States. Well done. Where the rings lad meme began. Oh, we're That was hilarious.
Good engine.
Yeah. The engine's still going. More cars doing donuts. Here's peer pressure at its finest.
Just won't do second.
It won't do second. The second gone now as well. Oh, okay.
Let's kill the rest of them.
Yeah, just fuck it up. Jesus, it's so terrible in the middle, like.